Hi guys! Today I'm going to talk to you about what the heck and bob is on my iPhone 8 Plus. I absolutely love this phone. I love how big the screen is. I know that they've come out with at least, I don't know, 50 new phones after the 8 Plus came out. I'm probably gonna stick with this one for a while. I just love it. Leave in the comments down below what iPhone you have, because I still see people with iPhone 4s. It's totally fine. As long as it works, who cares? The case that I have is from Amazon, and then this pop socket I got from Target. I'm actually gonna do a Amazon hits and misses video, so stay tuned for that. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you do. It'll mean everything to me. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias because I post a lot on there as well. Once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway, so let's try to get there. I'm super excited. Let's jump right in what I keep on my iPhone 8 Plus. As you can see, this is what my main screen looks like. I have Life Sum on the upper part right here. I like that for when I'm trying to keep my calories under control on a regular basis. And then I have Snapchat, which is pretty basic. I don't know why I keep Snapchat outside of social, because this is what I have in social. I have Instagram, when to post, and this followers app, which is kind of weird, and then my YouTube Studio app, which shows me my analytics and things like that. Also has comments down here. I always make sure that I reply back to you guys. If I don't do it within the day that you guys leave a comment, I always make sure to do it the next day. Twitter, which I barely ever use Twitter. I try to get on Twitter as much as I can. I have YouTube, and I have the food section. So I like to kind of put similar apps within like the same group. So I have Dunkin', Panera Bread, Core Life, Mitsuba, Starbucks, Domino's, and Tim Hortons. It's so random. And then I have shopping right next to it. So I have Sephora, Ulta. This sale price thing is really cool. You get to type in, let's say it's $20, and then if it whatever percentage, so you can kind of figure it out faster. So I like that. Shop Savvy, you can actually scan things and it'll show you different prices for different places, so you can kind of compare. Then I have Boohoo, AE, Groupon, which I barely ever use. Brilliant Distinctive is more for plastic surgery type stuff. Or if you want fillers, you can get like money off, but I don't even use it, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that one. And I have Cruelty Cutter, which is amazing. You can scan an item and see if it is cruelty free or not. This is Zara, and then Amazon. Amazon's like one of my favorites. So that's my shopping group. And then right next to it I have Pinterest, then I have finances, so I have my bank, Credit Karma, Chase, wallet, Venmo, and then my AT&T for my phone. Then I have the calculator, the camera, this is calendar, so I have the regular calendar, and then I also have my work calendar, which is that Cop app. Then I have mail, which, girl, I need to go through this mail section and unsubscribe to as many accounts as I can because that's so annoying. Then I have Safari, then I have notes, then I have music, setting, clock, the app store, fitness. So this is the health app. Yumly, this is so cool. So you type in ingredients that you have like in your kitchen, in your fridge, and it'll create like a recipe for you. It's so cool. And then there's just a bunch of recipes that you can choose from to make. But I thought that was awesome. Then I have Map My Run for when I go running, so I know how many miles I did. Navigation, I have Maps, which I use all the time. I have Uber, Google Maps, Airbnb. Then I have photography. Good gravy and a half. I have so much photography stuff. I have Facetune, Huji, which makes your photos look as if they're like 90s inspired. It's really cool. Thumbnail Maker, Lightroom, Snapseed, Fonto, Canva, vsco, Photo Grid. There's an endless amount of apps that you can get for photos. So I usually use that stuff to make thumbnails, and with Instagram. I have Influencer. I just have Netflix and Hulu. I don't even have cable. I only use Netflix and Hulu and then YouTube. This is the next page that I have. I have weather, Shazam, police. So I have the New York State law, and then speak and translate. I have the compass, Bitmoji, obviously I use. FaceTime I use. Skyscanner. Skyscanner is for flights, so I should probably bring that into navigation. It can give you really cheap flights, which is awesome. So we're gonna put that in navigation. And then I have 21 buttons, which I don't really use a lot. It's for like fashion related stuff, but I don't use it, so maybe I'll just get rid of that. The Canon Connect, my G7X has Wi-Fi, so that's what that is, so I can transfer photos back and forth from my camera and my iPhone, which I think is pretty cool. LinkedIn, I don't use, so I'm gonna get rid of that as well. Vont is another way where you can add text to your YouTube videos. I don't even know what this one is, so I'm just gonna delete that one. And then this MIPC is for my puppy cam for when I go to work and I have to leave the girls home. I like to keep an eye on them, so that's what that one is. And then Calm is so nice for when you are going to bed. It just plays like really nice rain music. It's not even music, it's just white noise. That is everything that I keep on my iPhone. My background is she created a life she loved. I love that quote. I think it's so freaking cute and it's just inspiring. I like to have everything on this main page right here, and then stuff that I really don't use that often I keep on the second page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I will talk to you guys later.